The Mapo Tofu is my favorite Chinese dish, but if you combine it with a Japanese style fried rice to get the Mapo chahan, it gets even better. Get 2 long negi and finely chop them up, just the shaft, not the head. Get kamaboko and pork belly, cut them up into little cubes. I developed a taste for pancetta. Heat and coat a pan with sesame oil, then saute the pork and negi. Crack open and mix 2 eggs. Add cooked rice and entangle it all up. Put into the pan and cook until the eggs are hardened. Alright, now add sake and soy sauce. Mix it up, then add the kamaboko, salt and pepper, and MSG powder. Okay, now onto the Mapo Tofu. Get a block of tofu of your desired firmness. Put into a pot of salt water. Bring to a boil, lower the heat then. Simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, now saute chopped garlic and ginger in sesame oil. Add the negi and ground beef or pork. Once the meat is browned, add sake and soy sauce. Finally, add a bunch of these Chinese spices. Mix it up with water and potato starch to get your desired level of gooiness. Add and entangle the tofu.